Hello, this is Jammal and Baba. I'm gonna do one of Abibu's songs about Prophet Muhammad's migration from Mecca to Medina while he was fleeing from the old establishment, the Qurayshi leaders in Mecca to Medina. The event happens on September 24th, 622 BC. And there was a bounty on him to be captured. And they have, if you can catch him, whoever can catch him, get 100 camels. So they set up all kind of roadblocks and security system to get hold of him. You will see in the lyrics, there were additional version that he sang about, but in this one, he was talking about one of the guy that was supposed to help capture him ended up being paralyzed and they couldn't figure out whether it was just a cramp or whether it was fatigue or rheumatism. Only God knows what paralyzed the guy. So the song goes like this. Muritalabi Muhammed Muritalabi wasijudi wakataribi wasijudi Muritalabi Muhammed Muritalabi wasijudi. So this song is singing it for a Lagosian called Ali Muritalabi, Muhammad Ali Muritalabi. So he's going to wrap it with the story of the Prophet Muhammad and how he was able to overcome tough obstacles. The drum beat here is beat by Buckner and it's rhythmic. And it's just using Wakatari Biwa Sejudi, which is a verse in the Holy Quran. It's chapter 96, verse 19. It's Suratul Al-Alaq. In English, is Suratul the cloth. Cloth as in not clothes I show, but cloth like in cloth of blood. Because when a male and a female mate and the sperm meet the ovary, when they fuse, it was still at that early phase. It's just a tiny clot of blood. So that surah, the chapter was called the cloth. In Arabic is Surat al-Halak. So the verse 19 of that surah, which is the last verse of that surah, is where Wakatari Biwa Sejudi, and which it just means get closer, humbly get closer and bow and get closer to your Creator, the Almighty God. Meaning, maximize your spirituality by getting closer to your Creator, and everything will be fine. So that's what that drum was saying. Wakatari biwa sejudi. Wakatari biwa sejudi. ọba kó fọláfọlá àwọn mùmínì ńláńlá the believers ọba kó finá fúnná àwọn kàférí ńláńlá tí gbèrú mi sọ ní níjọ́ kíámọ́tì. There is no help me lift my burden. Mom, can you help me lift my burden? Brother, sister, can you help me lift my burden? Oh, my cousin, can you help me lift my burden? No, you're on your own. Everybody is judged by their deeds. That's what that line was saying. Kò sí gbèrú mi sọ mi níbẹ̀, help me carry my burden to the head, or help me offload my burden. No. Kò sí gbèrú mi sọ ní níjọ́ kíámọ́tì. Walara bi Ali Muhammadu. So, Abima Oman sonorically sing. So you have to kind of like listen carefully. What he's actually saying, Wa ya Rabba, ya Rabbi, Sali ala Muhammad. It's just meaning, Iwo Ọba gbogbo, the creator of all things, the Lord of all things, bestow peace and blessing on Prophet Muhammad. Ọlọ́run bá gbogbo ìkẹ́ àtọ́lá about Anọbi Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. So that's how they say in Yoruba, but in English, it's the great creator. Please bestow your blessings and peace and blessings on the Prophet Muhammad. Wa ya Rabba, wa ya Rabbi, Salli ala Muhammadan. Wa ya Rabbi, Salli ala Muhammadan. Ẹrù ó bẹ̀dọ̀ tí ó máa jálù fún. The day of judgment is a scary proposition. It's a scary days that human being has never really have to deal with. So people will be filled with trepidation and scared. Ọjọ́ tẹ́rù máa bá ẹ̀dọ̀ tó máa jálù ìfun. Ẹ̀dọ̀ is above your intestine. The liver is above. So, but you'll be so scared that your liver will give and drop into your intestine. Ọjọ́ tẹ́rù ó bẹ̀dọ̀ tí ó máa jálù fún. Níjọ́ kíámọ́tì. That's scary thought. That's why we need to clean up our shit. We gotta be good. Ali Muhammadu. Kèrí mọ́ káwọn pété the scheme. Pété fóúnṣẹ́ ńlá. Wọ́n kọ́kọ́ wọ́n kógi wọ́n yọ kúmọ́. Wọ́n yọ kàṣé. Gbàtí Muhammad bọ̀ wá. Gbàgbà. Wọ́n ká wọ́n sùn lọ. Wọ́n ò mọ̀ gbà tí bàlára ń kọjá. Fi òdúró bo mi mú. Just want to taste of water. Kò lérò kò lè nàró. Dọ̀bálẹ̀ ní gbèǹjòkó. Àìjákàjápájá ní àbíwó wọ́sẹ̀ ní níbàdí aláìrá. Bóyá pajápajá ni o, bóyá wọ́sẹ̀ ni o. Who knows? But kò lè dìde dúró, kò lè nàró mọ́. He just wanted to have water to drink. He's been pursuing the prophet, got tired. And he's trying to get water to drink in the desert. So he'll be thirsty, he's exhausted. In the pursuit of, I need to catch him. I get a reward of 100 camel. That was the bounty reward. Whoever catch him, you get 100 camel, which is a big deal back then. Pursue. Then realize, I'm thirsty, I'm exhausted, I need water. Kò lè dìde dúró, kò lè nàró. Ìdọ̀bálẹ̀ ló gbé jókòó. Bóyá pajápajá ni. What's pajápajá? Pajápajá is a cramp. If a cramp catches you in the middle of the night when you're sleeping and you overstretch your leg, catches you know how it feels. But then imagine if you've been in the desert chasing for a long time and you don't have water in your system, you have not hydrated your body. The cramp will be much worse than the one you get while you were in your sleep on your comfortable bed. So whether it's cramp, abi what's rheumatism, which affects not only your tendons and your muscles, but your pretty much the system of your legs. The bones is in pain. The muscles are in pain. So bóyá pajápajá mà ní àbí wósẹ̀wósẹ̀. Ẹ̀dá kan ò mọ̀, Olúwa ló yé, only Allah knows. Only God knows. Human can, even till today, you go to the doctor, I think you might have so, but I think we need to do lab work. Then they do lab work. Oh, we did lab work, but we still haven't got anything here, but we don't know. Your result came back negative, but we still don't know what's going on. But Olúwa nìkan ló yé. Ẹ̀dá can only do their best. Lolodola Anọbi is pious. Gaskiya, truthful. Anọbi Asalaranse, Sikiya. Lolaye. Check this line out. Because lolaye bírawọ́ kú méjì lókè, òjíṣẹ́ ńlá lolaye. Balára bí àsìjúdí. Ìwọ kọ́ ló láyé, èmi kọ́ ló láyé, bí ìràwọ̀ kú méjì lókè, òjíṣẹ́ ńlá ló láyé o. Meaning the messenger of God is what I'm going to roll with. If there's only 2 stars left, listen to that. That's deep. If there are only 2 stars left of all the abundance of stars in the sky, there are only 2 left. I'm still going to roll with the messenger of Allah. I'm still going to roll with the messenger of God. Òjíṣẹ́ ńlá ló láyé, wàlára wàyà rọ̀bà. Ali Muhammadu wàlára wàyà rọ̀bì. Ali Muhammadu. My fà sẹ́yìn for you to now just hear it clean. And then I'll try and zip it. That way you guys can enjoy this music. Muhammadu Ali Muritalabi ya Muhammadu wa ya Rabbi Muhammadu more blessing to the believers. Kàférí ńláńlá gbígbèrú mi sọ ní níjọ́ kíámọ́tì lára bàlára bí wà sí túdí látàtàrí lẹ́dọ̀ tí ó máa já lò fún níjọ́ kíámọ́tì lára wazijudi makataribi wazijudi mọgẹdẹ wazijudi tatagbẹgbẹgbẹgbẹ ọkọọkọ wọn bógi wọn yọ kú mọ wọn yọ kàṣe ìgbà tí Muhammad ń bọ̀ wá Mọ́kà wọn sùn lọ òmọ̀gbà tí bàlára ń kọjá bómi mú lè dúró kò lè nàró balẹ̀ ní gbèjòkó bí jápájápá ní àbíwó ṣẹ̀wóṣẹ̀ ní nígbàdí aláìra lára bí wàzíjúdí mákàtàrí bí wàzíjúdí olódò lànà bí máìkà sí kíá the truth náà bí àṣẹ láránṣẹ́ lànà bí ló láyé ebi ìràwọ̀ kú méjì lókè òjíṣẹ́ ńlá ló láyé bàlára bí wàzíjúdí mákàtàrí. Oh, with the drum beat. Then when he really got into the middle of it, then he over him, bang, bang. So sometimes when he really get caught up, he would throw that in, bang, 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 ding, bang, 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 ding, bang, 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 ding, bang, 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 ding. So, like I said, the lead drummer in this one was Buckner, of the famous Buckner musical family. And he was his first leading drummer. It was Abibu's first leading drummer. So that's how you could distinguish the eras. That was Buckner. Then Mimi Lola. Then in his later days of his life, Lefty Salami Balogun became his lead drummer. But the message in this is there's going to be obstacle in life of human being. You have to make sure you're pious, your position is clean, and then you pursue it with perseverance and fortitude. And then in the day of judgment, we won't be in a position where Eruma Bawati Edo or Majalu Ifun. We won't be in a position where we'll be so terrified that our liver will break, disintegrate, and drop on our intestine. kó ṣamọ̀nà gbogbo wa. You guys remain blessed.